My side.
Hi my loves, how are ya? Today I'll show you how to make this easy, elegant braided updo. So we'll begin by making a parting on the side we like, and then you want to select our top section behind our ears like I'm showing and make with it a ponytail. Then you want to make an opening through this ponytail and bring it through this opening. Then you want to pull a little bit the hair on the ground to make it fuller and voluminous looking, and divide the rest of our hair into 2 equal sections, making with each of these sections 2 simple 3-strand braids. Tie the ends using a clear elastic as well, but on last time make sure to pull it only halfway through. And then you want to repeat this braid on other section as I said. Now you want to grab one of the braids and roll it upwards like I'm showing here, and pin it in place using several bobby pins. You want to repeat with second braid as well. You can use some grips to fix it better in place. Also, you can use some hairspray if you need, and you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and guys, please let me know in comments down below what type of videos you'd like me to make on this channel. Thank you so much for 7,000 subscribers. This means a world for me. Thank you so much. I love you guys. See you soon in my next video. Bye.